How to close apps and not minimize apps on Google TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can close apps completely and not just minimize on your Android TV or Google TV. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So the problem here is quite simple. You know that on our TV, if we open a specific app, we don't completely close it. Instead, how we do is we just click the back button or maybe the home button or remote in order to just come back to the home screen. Now, you might have noticed that if you use an Android or iOS, when you want to exit the app, you just go to the home button or the back button, right? But if you want to close the app, you go to the recent menu and then you clear out all of those. But on TV, that's not how it works. These applications that I open and go to the home screen are still going to keep running in the background. So how do I close them from my background? Well, it's quite simple again. All you have to do is just go to the settings icon from the top right, and here you'll find the gear settings icon, right? Make sure to go to that option. Once you go to that option, over here you'll find this option called apps. When you go to apps, you can see these are all the apps that have been recently opened up. Now, if I want to close this app, on the right hand side, you'll simply find force stop. So click on force stop and then click on OK. And now the app is going to get fully closed. And you can repeat the process for Netflix also. Right click, click on force stop and then just close the app. Again, repeat the process for other apps such as Spotify. Right click, click on force stop and then click on OK. This will completely close the application even from background and not just minimize them. This way you'll be able to close apps and not minimize in Google TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.